FastARC 2HT has over-exceeded our expectations.
So with the robot, we didn't replace any of our workers. We just took the mundane tasks away from them, which allowed them to focus on the bigger projects and maybe what's considered more fun for a welder to do, and actually building complete assemblies versus the small sub-assemblies.
I was very happy at the ease of just setting it in place, bolting it together, and it was running that day by lunchtime. I mean, that, I don't know, where are you gonna find that? I don't know.
Robotics has actually streamlined our production, and we're able to know in advance when things will be available to us. As we generate more and more time studies, we know how long it's going to take. So it's not really a question of when they're going to be there. It'll be done when it says it's going to be done.
One part alone, it took about 16 hours to do 100 parts. After the robot, that dropped it down to 13 hours to do 100 parts, which that's a 30% gain right there.
So some competitive advantages we've seen from the FastARC 2HT would be consistency for one. All the parts come off the same every time and we know they're right. This has allowed us to lock down our lead times better, as we're not worried about rework and things like that.
What surprised me the most was the ease of the install. Everything was gone over how we were going to be bringing the machine in. We had everything pre-set up. I was able to get the footprint of the robot and predetermine where it was going to be set up in our shop, and I had it laid out ahead of time, even before I even went down and started training on the robot.
Future demand for robotics and how it'll help MDS, I think, for one, it's just the efficiencies. We're gaining 20 to 40 or maybe even 50% in some applications in efficiency with the same amount of people, and we're getting a better quality part.
We were looking at other robotics companies, and you buy the robot and you buy everything else, and you got to like put it together yourself. Whereas the FastARC 2HT is one cell. Acieta has done all the work already ahead of time.
Acieta has been our partner, and that's really what you're looking for as a partner. You're not looking just to buy a product. You're looking for a partner, and that's where I really go back to the fact that I buy from people, not companies. But Acieta's kind of got the whole package going. They've got the integration down right. They've got the people to work with it, and they present it well, and that is the little gem that I think they offer to us.